I'm Miss Lili from Lili's Music, doing a quick tutorial on cello excerpt 2 from String Orchestra Auditions, TMEA Region 29, Call of Heroes. Starting from the beginning, make sure you are counting 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Connect it with a down bow, C natural. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're saving the bow for that. It comes back down to a D note tied. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. E, rest, F sharp, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, C natural. Make sure you are counting in between all those measures. So starting at 68, 1 and 2 and 3 and 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, up bow. And that's just an eighth note rest there. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Hopefully this helped. Good luck on your auditions.